Hey guys, welcome back to 2022 Vlogmas. Yeah, you can see we are ready to roll and stay in this channel for every update from snow. So you guys, stay in this channel for every update from snow to Christmas shopping, Christmas decoration, gift wrapping, and Christmas itself. I'm going to walk you through my Vlogmas 2021 and Christmas 2020. So stay tuned and enjoy. Thank you guys. Yay! Oh yeah. So, where are my little elves? Little elves. Before we did red and multicolors, I'll be putting the pictures of what we did last year and the one a year before. As you can see how plain my fireplace is looking, so I'm going to put some garland here to lift up the room and also give it some Christmassy effect. And these are the kind of things that once you buy them, you end up using them over and over again until you're tired. So you don't have to every year you go and look for something to buy. No, you can buy some good stuff and also look out for when down this bag. There is no year my kids don't get books for Christmas. There is no way. And by second week of January, they are done reading all the books. So this one is for my little girl. Welcome back to Yo-Yo's World. So today, guess what I'm doing, guys? You can see my background. Yeah, I'm doing Christmas wrapping. Thank you guys for always coming to watch my videos. Thank you for the likes, the share, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, let's be friends. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. So guys, this one is done. See how nice. So guys, you can see my environment. We are ready for 2022 Vlogmas. Please make sure your post notification bell is on for 2022 Vlogmas. Keep a day with me every day until the Christmas. Thank you guys for watching and continue to watch. Hi guys, your girl Ify Oyindoke and you're welcome to Oyindoke Lifestyle. So today, in the spirit of the season, we are here to wish every one of my subscribers and viewers around the world. Didi is ready to give us her lovely tunes.
Good video.
To Yo-Yo's World. So want to bless you with our lovely tunes for my darling daughter Ella. Going to enjoy. So do stay tuned to enjoy and have a blessed day. guys, I hope you're enjoying this video so far. These are some of the things to expect in 2022 Vlogmas and much more. All right, guys, having said that, let's get back to my reality. Thank you for watching. Guys, I just entered my car to drive off, but we're having snowstorm, so I have to first of all wipe off the windshield. Yeah, I came to get my kid. This is my daughter's school, so I came to pick her up. Drive with me on a snowstorm day. Yeah, we're having snowstorm, so let's go. So guys, we are headed home. I just picked my daughter from school. We are going home. Today there is a snowstorm warning issued in the state, so it's going to snow all day. You can see the visibility is very poor because of the snow, and this is how it is for us here in my state. Every roof in my state is covered with snow. Every lawn is covered with snow. So you're not going to be seeing green lawns anymore. Snow everywhere. And because it's a continuous snow, they've not started plowing the inner cities. You can see the roads are not plowed yet, but definitely in the next hour or two they come to plow the road. Every car parked outside is decked up with snow. It's beautiful to look at, very, very beautiful. So we are driving gently. During snowstorms like this, you don't speed. You just have to take your time. Advisable, take your time. Don't rush, because you want to get to your destination rather than getting to the hospital. All right, so we're doing okay right now. When I get home, I'm going to do a proper video about the snowstorm. So welcome to my state, and thank you for clicking to watch this video. Don't forget to like it, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys. So guys, I just got home. You can see how my neighborhood is looking, everywhere covered with snow. It looks so beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And that's my driveway. I just drove right into the garage. I tried to vlog when I got down, but it wasn't so clear. You couldn't see my face. That was what happened here. The snow is beautiful. We love it at this time of the year. But as beautiful as it is, you still have to apply caution because it could be very dangerous. Thank you guys for watching. So let's continue, guys. So we got some snow warning today that is going to snow, and in some locations they're gonna get up to 11 inches of snow. But for my city, we might be getting like 5 inches of snow. So this is it on a snowy day in my state. So welcome to my state. We love it at this time because there's actually nothing to hide. And if it warms up, definitely you're going to see me do some snow angel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Keep a date with me every day until Christmas. Stay well and be well. Thank you guys.